Hey everyone, welcome back to another Tic Tac Taiko and a bit of an unplanned video. So I had a video in mind I was going to record and then I got a delivery today. But let me take a few steps back. Most of you watching this know that a few weeks ago I was in Scotland at the Scottish Taiko Festival teaching workshops, having an amazing time. Anyways, that is going to be a separate video. But while there, I entered a raffle, which was essentially a fundraiser for the festival. There were two prizes for the raffle. The first was an Hira-Daiko or fan drum provided by Kaiser drums in Germany. And the second, or the first prize, I guess, it was a 39-inch Hira-Daiko, also from Kaiser drums. Now, I didn't expect to win anything, let alone first prize. And I also didn't expect for Kaiser drums to ship all the way to the US, but both of those things happened. And so I decided, well, why wait and have this big box with a brand new taiko just sitting in the corner waiting for me to make an unboxing video? Why don't I just do it now? So I'm gonna do just that. So I hope you enjoy my second ever unboxing video. I don't think this is gonna be a regular thing, trust me. But I'm really looking forward to seeing my Hira-Daiko. And if you don't know what a Hira-Daiko looks like, you're about to find out. Okay, here we go. Unboxing the Kaiser drum Hira-Daiko. Let's see how this goes. Oops. Now, for those who may not have heard of Kaiser, if I recall correctly on the website, they started around 2006 and they ship internationally all over the world. The drums are made for them in China and Japan. And they offer everything from what we would call a chudaiko, Hira-Daiko, tabi, bachi with little LED lighting. They also do like spare parts like drum heads and other equipment. So I would definitely check out their website, available in many different languages as well. And that was nowhere near the middle. There we go. All right. And I have a note, congratulations and happy taiko drumming. That's lovely. I love that little personal touch. Oh, here we go. I can show that to you. Ta-da! Let's get this out of the way. All right. Okay, I'll tell you why I was laughing in a second. Get some of the fillers out of here. It's packaged really well, definitely for surviving a rough international trip. Two pairs of bachi. I'll take a look at those a little bit. Oh, that's actually really nice. These little spacers, which are empty, actually are perfect room for bachi. Didn't even think about that. And I think that's it. Here's the drum. I'll move this. See, can you see this? We can still see this. I need to open again. All right, so I think I can get rid of the box itself. I think that's it for the big box. It's gonna block my shot. So let's move it off camera. Try not to knock the ceiling down. All right, so we have our drum, and I think in here will be the stand. And yes, I'm saving the drum opening for the end, so people stick around and watch longer. I know how YouTube works. I know a lot of you are just sticking around to see the drum, and then you'll log off and watch cats playing volleyball or something like that. All right. Well, everything is packaged really, really nicely. Way better than I package my own equipment when I'm traveling and teaching workshops. And I will push this away. All right. So let's take a look at the stand. Where's my box cutter? I might save this bubble wrap for the next time I have to ship some drums to, I don't know, LA or Vegas or somewhere else. People might want me to fly out and teach. Hint, hint. But that's not what this video is about. One more cut. All right. Oh, this is really nice. Now, for those who know me and who've watched my channel for a while, you know my preferred color palette is a lot of black and red. And that's exactly what this is. It's black and red. I would have requested this, but this is perfect. This is exactly the color scheme I would have chosen. I like it. I really like this. Let's move that out of the way. So the stand is on rollers, which is really nice. It's very smooth, and we have locks for the wheels, which will definitely come in handy. But I think this is going to work out really well. I like the construction, I like the feel of the wood, the color scheme, the fabric, the felt. Seems pretty durable. Like this isn't going to wear and tear anytime soon. Providing a lot of padding. And yeah, this is really nice and folds up really well. Doesn't take up a lot of space. So I'm sure this will get a lot of use as I practice when I can figure out how to practice without the neighbors. Let's move that over. And now the drum itself. There is a little packet of gummy sodas, which I will eat off camera. And let's take a look at this brand new Hira-Daiko from Kaiser drums. Ta-da! Well, that's really nice. I like the color. Oh, you're in there just right. So this is going to be a little wiggling to get out. But that means the case is the right size, not too big, not too snug. Oh, that's beautiful. Now they did ask me what color I would like. The options were, I believe, a black, red, brown something, and a natural color. And again, black and red. So that's what I have, and that is beautiful. It's almost like a black cherry. Mostly black with a little bit of red in it. And look at that. Look at that. Those are really nice. Let's see. The rings do move. And I like the design. I'll try to zoom in on this a little bit. I really like the design on the ring. And now I admit I'm not that knowledgeable about drum manufacturing, but I've definitely been around a lot of different taiko, both assembled and taken apart, and everything looks really, really nice. I don't know if I can really capture the color of the drum itself, but again, if I could choose a color, this is pretty much what I would choose. And as far as the heads, everything looks and feels really nice. I'm guessing it's going to sound the same on the other side. A little different. Let's see if I can do that. So slightly different tones, which is actually really nice. That way I can pick if I want a slightly higher or lower tone, if I'm playing multiple drums to match one of the others or not. But I also want to mention that this is actually really light, which is nice. I mean, it's great to have a really heavy, sturdy, thick drum bass, but it does make it a lot harder to transport, a lot more expensive to fix. I don't expect this is going to be going through a lot of playing, a lot of heavy playing, so I don't think I need something that durable. So that makes this much easier to take care of and to transport, and much more viable, I think, in terms of pricing as well. So this is your 39-inch Kaiser Hira-Daiko, shipped all the way from Germany. I really want to thank the Scottish Taiko Festival for giving me the opportunity to be out there and to win this drum. I really want to thank Kaiser Drums for the willingness to ship this all the way from Germany to California. I will be making a second video on playing this. I need to figure out a good way to do this, probably out in the park nearby. And I want to show what it sounds like and also be able to comment on the feel of playing it rather than just, because that, as we all know who play taiko, that is not an adequate way to measure how good a taiko is. Not quite enough. But let me show the case before I end this video. Make sure that's on the bubble wrap. The case, it looks really nice. Just enough padding on the sides. Really good amount of padding on the front and the back. Nice handle here, as well as a strap. Two things that are really, really good on a bag, to have both the strap and the handle. And a little logo from Kaiser drums. I like it. I'm going to put this back in. Not sure which side was up. Doesn't really matter. Fits in perfectly. No finagling, no adjusting. And well, I'm really happy with this product. So I will, again, like I said, make another video and talk about how this performs, if you will. But on the first look and first feel, it's a really nice drum. So thank you for watching my second ever unboxing. I don't get a lot of opportunities to do that. If you have any questions about what I received or Kaiser drums, I don't know if I could say too much, but I'm happy to answer those questions. Please check out their website in the meantime. If you type in Kaiser drums, you'll find their website, many different languages. Check out their merchandise. And from what I can tell, they're very willing to talk and work out pricing and opportunities. Not they're going to give you a drum for free like this, but really do check them out. They do make a good product, and the more manufacturers and more opportunities people have to get taiko drums that aren't necessarily of the most expensive kind or the most cheap kind, like the PVC pipes, I think the better off the community is. And if we support the drum manufacturers who are sort of in the middle, everybody wins. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Keep practicing and be well. Oh, I almost forgot. Not the gummy sodas, but the bachi. I would like to show the bachi off. Let's see, that's an easy way to do that. Because if I don't do this, some of you will reach out and remind me that I forgot, or I will wake up in the middle of the night and remember, and that's not a good time. All right, so we have a little bit of promotional material. We have more gummy treats. I'm sensing a theme here. We have gummy frogs with the gummy sodas, that's awesome. And some promotional stuff from Kaiser drums, more of the catalog, a little promotional flyer for the concerts coming out. And if you happen to be anywhere in Europe, they have, I know this is on their website, Taiko Concert Night 2024, featuring Hira-Daiko from Italy, Kagemusha Taiko from England, Circle Percussion from the Netherlands. It's May 24th and 25th, and cappuccino hazelnut little chocolate. So I will be on a sugar rush shortly after this video. And let's look at the bachi. This is harder to open than the drum was, but that's probably more on me than anything else. Well, these are actually really nice. They're definitely on the smaller side for me, but not in a bad way. I like having options for different types of bachi. So let's see. Yep, these are nice. These are very nice, very solid. For this drum, actually, this is a pretty good size. And they have their logo on it. I'm not sure the kind of wood, but it feels just as good as any sort of bachi you might pick up at a sano or a taiko conference. Definitely worth checking out. I might check out their website for more bachi in general, because I'm always looking for different kinds and different sizes of bachi for whatever purposes I have in mind. So good, I'm glad I didn't forget that. So again, thank you for watching. See you next time.